What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on our final day of sheetrock. So we have made quite a bit of progress. I got, you know what? Let's go upstairs. We'll start up there. So the spackler was also here today, and he taped all the seams on the second floor. But we are all sheetrocked through this, all the way up to the attic here. He didn't do the seams up here. I don't know why. But he obviously has a few more days here. This, I don't know, I think I mentioned in the last video, we are framing out this corner here for the AC return because it originally was going to come up, it was going to come up the ceiling of the second floor, but it would have been right in the landing here, and obviously that didn't work. So it's going to be behind the wall here, come up and be ran that way. We're just waiting on the material for that, but everything up here is all done. We got a couple pieces of scrap plus full board here. We got to get this all out of the second floor, but all the outlets and light switches are all cut in. So we are in good shape up here. Bathroom's done. This is a niche in the wall here for the tub, which we had waterproofed. Same with the shower here. These guys were here yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday. And they did this shower plus the one downstairs and this little niche here. But moving downstairs, we got bottom of the stairwell all done. We got a couple pieces. We got a little piece here, a couple pieces right here. That side of it is done. This whole room is done now. We have to do the jambs in the doorway and the arches still. These steps that you see sitting here are the same material as the staircase there. They are the steps to come down here on both sides, but those go in on top of the flooring, so we gotta wait. This whole wall we are moving to next as soon as the guys are done with that front entryway. So this will be all done very soon, and this bathroom is done. It's kind of dark in here, but this is all waterproofed as well. And then we have the laundry room left to do. So we're almost there. We got a couple little cut pieces here and one across the top to finish that up. But I'm gonna get back to working with these guys and hopefully get this done today. here. We got it. Is that good? Yep. Nice. Metro? Oh, great. Where's my Metro? What do you want? Thank you. You can hold me in the wall. Right there? Yeah. Trace it. Hey. What up?
No.
How much? How much?
Little more de one.
Arriba. Are you ready?
Para de mí.
I think it's one now. There. One up. Nice. Giovanni, you're a professional.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so we are getting cleaned up, but pretty much all buttoned up. We have a couple arches left to do. This one's done. This one's in. We gotta do the jam. We gotta do this one, and this one. But majority of it is done. This whole wall got done. Me and Giovanni did this section. I cut the board that we had laying before I even realized, so it doesn't really make a difference. That's just what you would use in your bathrooms. And then tomorrow morning we're gonna jump in here. Whoa, it's very dark, but this is a laundry room. You can tell they have the water there, gas is down there, but we're gonna jump in here first thing in the morning and get this buttoned up, and then we're in good shape. So I believe the spackler will be here again tomorrow and get the whole first floor taped at least. I don't know if he's gonna be here for longer than he was today, as he was not here very long, and all he did was tape the seams and put a little bit of spackle on them. But well, it looks like it's starting to drizzle. It is. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.